in terms of how we're positioned, we've spent the last few years building an infrastructure, technical infrastructure and a functionality infrastructure that will be able to almost plug and play. You know, we have a lot of the pieces there that we can combine in different ways to handle different immigration benefits forms over the next few years. We've set up this technical architecture that is very cloud friendly, which lets us scale very quickly depending on usage of the system. The technical platform is very best practices, you know, used by a lot of developers. People who come in to start working on our project find it familiar because it's tools that a lot of people are using. So I would say that we've set up the technological infrastructure so that we can move very quickly in the future and at a high level of quality and good interaction with the users. We've also created a lot of the base functionality that is going to be important in the next couple of years of the program. So things like the ability to schedule appointments for biometrics and collect biometrics and schedule interviews, and a lot of the other pieces that will keep coming up in the future as we develop new things. The advantages that we're hoping to get, there are a lot of them by moving away from paper. Among them, I would say, first of all, the possibilities for much better customer service is an important piece of it. We can be much more interactive with the applicants and their representatives. We can give them better information about the status of their applications. We can use user-centered design to make the system very usable and friendly. Hopefully help them not make mistakes and include all the things they need to with their applications. So those are the customer service benefits. We can automate a lot of the national security and fraud detection parts of the process. So we can improve national security and improve the integrity of the immigration system by collecting the data better, getting better quality data, and pushing it through analysis to spot potential issues. So there are big national security benefits, I believe. And the efficiency of not having to move paper around. Right now, our agency, I have to say that the operators in the field are brilliant at working with paper and finding great ways to do it. But you're still stuck with the fact that you have to wait for paper to move before you can do anything. So we have to get the applications from wherever they're stored, or the alien files that we have on the person who's applying. That might be in our National Records Center in one location, and then it might have to move to a field office where an interview is going to take place. On the way, it might pass through our National Benefits Center, which does some of the pre-processing on it. In some cases, files need to move to ICE or CUP or another organization. So each of those requires calendar time as the paper has to move, and costs, of course, in moving the paper around. So with a fully electronic system, of course, it takes no time to move information between locations. So I think not only will there be cost benefits, but a lot of operational benefits as well.